still following the instructions, the next thing to do was to close the header here and latch it up on both sides. That really pulls the top tight now. Very tight. Next things, snap the center bar. As you can see, that's snapped in. The Velcro on this bar gets put in next. That also gives us a lot of tension. So now we have pretty much the inside all assembled. Snapped in the back, Velcro here, snapped there. Our tension bars, which are underneath here, right there, are snapped and they are tight. You can see we're going to have a nice water wind seal right in here too. So next steps will be putting on the windows.